Hello everyone. Now further what are we going to do? You have to secure the hair like this. Further you need to make the braids in this manner and then arrange them together in this way to make it look happen. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now here you need to just roll your hair and then what are we gonna do? You have to just get the partitions. Now roll them further up towards the other side and then you are gonna do the rolls like this and then attach it to the other end. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now here you need to tie the hair further, get a knot made in the middle and then further you need to secure it, get a beautiful lovely looking bun made and this is gonna look damn pretty. Now here partitioning from the middle, you need to just tie the knots like this and then further roll them up into the form of a lovely looking bun in this pattern as we are showing here. Now here doing the splits like this, you're gonna join them further in this way and get it beautifully arranged in this manner. And now you're gonna make this happen and then you have to arrange them in this way and then do it beautifully in this manner and then do it like this. Isn't it beautiful enough? Now here what are we up to? You have to just get the rubber bands, you have to get the partitions like this, get a lovely thin braid made and you're gonna make a lovely bow like pattern in this manner and this is gonna look amazing and beautiful. Now here what are we up to? You have to just get it beautifully done, roll them up further in this way and then further what are we gonna do? You have to just secure it in this manner, get the braids made and then you're gonna make this happen. Isn't it cool enough? Get it attached in this way. Cool, right? You have to just roll your hair further, get it beautifully arranged in this way and you're going to attach them with the help of these clutches. Thank you guys for watching our videos.